Hey, it's Matt from Miller's Auto Recycling. Today we've got a 2017 Ford Edge, stock number 262840, with a 2-liter turbo engine and a left-hand collision. Here we have the engine with no major noises coming from it, and everything's all intact. This vehicle comes equipped with cloth black interior with electronic seat adjustments. And this vehicle has 166,655 kilometers. If you'd like to inquire about parts on this vehicle, make sure to give Miller's Auto Recycling a call for pricing and availability. Thanks for watching.